My name is Eric Split. This is my family. My hope is to instill creativity, confidence, tenacity, and grit into my children. I believe our on-demand economy has disempowered us. We are not as self-reliant as we used to be for things as simple as replacing a doorknob or fixing a leaky faucet. As the founder of Neater Nest, my mission is to inspire you to change what's possible between your four walls, not just in your home, but also in your mind. Whether you believe it or not, we are all creative, and we are all capable. Join me on this DIY journey of life, and let's build something with our own two hands. At Neater Nest, you will find unique and innovative products for your home, as well as a wealth of resources and inspiration to guide you along the way. If you enjoy solving problems, learning new skills, or being creative, then home improvement is the perfect outlet to build self-confidence and connect on a deeper level with the place you call home and the people you share it with. We do that all here at Neater Nest.
I know a place where we can go.